to get to Iona today, we have to come to a town called Oban. It's about 3 hours north of Glasgow, which is about 7 hours north of London. From Oban, you have to take a ferry to the Isle of Mull. You drive 1 hour across the Isle of Mull, and then you have to take another ferry to get to Iona. It takes at least minimum 1 day, if not 2, just to arrive here. On the journey up here, my mind goes back to the missionaries who would go out from here. If it took us 2 days to get here, how long would it have taken them in the 500s and 600s and 700 AD to leave from this island and then spread out around Scotland, England, Wales, and then go across to Europe as missionaries? They spent a long time, long journeys traveling across as missionaries throughout the British Isles and throughout Europe because they believed fervently in the gospel which they had learned here in this mission training institute. God's calling us today as well to be missionaries for Him. It may even be just crossing the road and speaking to a neighbor. It may be talking to someone at university. It may be going to a faraway country. But wherever God is calling you today, may you take up that call and be a missionary for Him.